Hey guys, we received this Omnpak for 30.6-inch MacBook Air case sleeve for test and try. So compatible with the MacBook Air 13.6 inches M3 M2 M1 or the MacBook Pro 13 M2 by M1 14-inch MacBook Pro. So this one, as you can see, comes in a really nice bag, and this have a handle as well on the top. So fabric base, very nice zipper, smooth. So it's around 14.4 inches in the length and 10.4 inches. So you can feel the comfort and the soft felt inside, so there will be no scratch on your MacBook. And also this have for the charger and small things. You can also store in your phones and small keys and everything in here or something from here, like the airports and things. So they have multiple pockets where you can store your things. And as I said, total size for 14.4 by 10.4, have a handle as well to just carry this over. Very nice fabric and shade. So here, like you can see, like the soft zipper thing and also like the felt thing. So I'm just putting in my MacBook Air 13.6-inch, and this fits really well in it. And with the lock thing, it's pretty much secure, no scratch, and I can easily handle with the handle and the stuff. All other things I can store, and I know small thing is in here or the adapter in the front. So nice bag.